Hey guys, today I'm working with a Kenmore Elite front load washer and matching electric dryer set. Right now I got this guy set up on normal casual load. It's been going for a few minutes. It's pretty much filled up with water. Pretty heavy jeans and towel load going in there. So he's doing a really good job getting everything thrown around. And the features here, tons of features, lots of lights. Now those aren't, if they look like they're flashing, they're not actually flashing. It's just a video thing. I'm not sure why it does that. But as you can see, tons of options, and it's done filled up and getting everything nice and clean right now. I'm going to let you see that it will drain the water out, and then of course it'll go through the rinse cycle, and then we'll be on to the final spin, which is nice and fast and smooth, and I'll let you see that and hear that as well. Kind of as if you're standing here yourself testing it out. That's the point of this. I go through and clean everything inside out, top to bottom, 28-point inspection, everything electrical, mechanical. It all gets checked and everything has to work perfectly before it leaves my care here. So we'll let this finish up, then we'll move on and show you the dryer. Alright guys, moving into the rinse cycle now. It already did really fast spin, one spin on the rinse cycle. So it's finishing the rinse cycle. Should be going into the final spin here momentarily. You can hear that pump running. So we'll come back. Okay, so still on the rinse cycle, but I wanted to show you a nice fast spin cycle within the rinse portion. See, it's nice, smooth, sounds great. So anyway, we'll come back for the final spin, which I believe is a little faster even. Alright, and now here we go. Final spin cycle. It's starting to get up to speed. See, just about got it nice and clean, polished up. You see it's perfectly balanced. It's nice and quiet. See, obviously that thing's moving super fast. Alright, now go ahead and cut out and come back when it's at its fastest part of the spin. Alright, well, it buzzed for quite a while at that top speed. And then I assumed that in the last 2 minutes it might go a little faster, but it didn't. It seemed like that was as fast as it was going to go. It ran for 5-6 minutes at top speed, and now it's kind of slowed down and it's doing a tumble, and I assume it'll kick the drain on for one last getting the water out and be good to go. So those clothes should be nice and light when they come out of there. Once it's done, like I said, we'll move over to the dryer and show you that works perfectly. Okay, now I've got those clothes moved over to the electric dryer. You can see it's all lights on, nice and clean. We'll hit power. We'll just do normal. Let's see, heat. If we go over to, let's see, time dry, then I can adjust the heat however I want here. So we'll go high. Let's see, I don't know how that works. Oh look, you can adjust the time here, and we'll just hit go. Just so you can see everything running good. See, it's got nice smooth operation. Let's see about this drum light here. Oh, look at that. Can even turn the drum light on. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but if you wanted to watch your clothes dry, you could even do that. Pretty neat. Lots of different options and features on this guy here. Now I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to, probably the most important thing. So you can see the difference here, what I shine this on. In between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. I'll go right in between the, right in that heating element tube. You can see plenty of heat coming out of there. And now that gets hotter and hotter. Obviously, the longer it runs, we just let it run for just a little minute. But the inside of your dryer typically get anywhere from 95 to 195. And that just depends on what you have these heat settings at up here. So if you needed something done on delicates, you could go to extra low or even air dry. So tons of options to wash and dry, tons of different style clothes. So we're gonna let this go ahead and finish up, and I'll get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks and have a great day.